Umengameli we-ANC uthe uma ephothula ingqungquthela yokuqoka ubuholi wasethula umhlahlandlela weqembu waziwa ngeJanuary 8 phambi kweinkulungwane zabantu eBloemfontein izolo akuqhakambisa kakhulu ukuvuselelwa kweqembu ukuze kwenziwe ngcono impilo yabantu bakulelizwe. Umengameli we-ANC uthi zizokwenziwa inguquko kukhabhinethi lakhe.
As I said, I mean, there are quite a number of processes that we have to go through. The Secretary General has been the Minister of Transport. He's going to be handing in his resignation. So we then have a gap there. Yeah. We still have a gap with regard to the Minister of Public Service. Yes. And so all that gives rise to what now needs to be done to reconfigure the country's national executive.
Isephinde waqokwa engqungqutheleni yayibanjelwe eNazareth eGoli. Isigameko sokuphanga senzeke eplazini iPharaphara siyaqhubeka nokuphenywa. Kanti njengoba umgomo wokushenqa kwamalungu usamile, uMengameli uRamaphosa uselinda ukubona ukuthi yini ezolandela ke manje.
We deal with issues as they come and as they arise. Yeah. And I think let's not preempt anything. I have said that I'm going to be cooperating fully, and that is what the ANC, my organization, has appreciated, that I will cooperate with all processes as they unfold, and I have kept my word when it comes to that. And so let us see how everything then unfolds, yeah. And we take things as they unfold.
Njengoba kusaqhubeka uphenyo ngodaba lwePharaphara okwatholwa ikomiti lalenzolwa luphenyo kwaqubula ukuqagela ngokuthi umengameli uzokwesula esikhundleni ngonyaka oyedlule. Umengameli uyaphika ukuthi wayizokwehla esikhundleni.
I don't know where that came from. I don't know where that came from. I am still president. I have not resigned, as you well know. Yes. So I don't know where that came from. So the processes unfold, and we deal with matters as they unfold.
Umengameli uRamaphosa uphinde wathi njengamanje iANC iyazivuselela kabusha.